Hi, welcome to my another tutorial. Today I want to share how to upload it. In my previous video I have shared how to create a brand new YouTube channel for earning on the YouTube platform. Mind it, if you want to earn on YouTube platform, you have to complete your SEO of that video which you are uploading on your YouTube channel. So there are 5 tips and tricks, secret tips and SEO tricks to complete your video for uploading on your YouTube channel. So step by step I want to share. Pay attention, don't leave any part of this video. So let's get started. Alright, before starting this video I cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is called the learning and earning tip, and just click on this bell button to get all types of informative learning and earning related videos from my channel. So I would like to share more and more about this new channel, make money online. This is so well, if you come to the channel, you can watch the icon here. This is called the upload icon, and on the other hand you can use this upload video button from here. So first of all I would like to click on this upload video here. Alright, this is another interface. Just click on this select files. You have to select your files from your PC. So just select your file from your computer. Just click on this here, open, and is alright. This is the title. First of all, I'd like to share some tips and tricks to complete your SEO for ranking of your video on the Google search engine. First of all, you have to confirm your title. You have to use your awesome and eye-catchy authentic and unique title about your video. So I have used this one, make $500 every 20 minutes typing captchas. Now this is my title of my video. There are 5 tips and tricks to complete your SEO before uploading of your video on your YouTube channel. So this is the number 1 tips. I think you have to use your informative or authentic eye-catchy title about your YouTube video. So I have written here, make $50 every 20 minutes, type captchas, make money online. So after copying this one from here, you have to, in this video I have written here, in this video you will watch make $50 every 20 minutes typing captchas, make money online. You have to provide all types of information about your total video in the description box. This is called number 2 secret tips and tricks to complete your SEO for your every video. So I have completed the title of my video and this is description box. Now I am writing another articles. So about this video I have created a description on my Microsoft Word. So just copy from here and paste it here. So I have completed the total description about my YouTube videos. Number 2 has been completed. Now I would like to share number 3. This is called a thumbnail. I will make a video how to create a eye-catchy or authentic thumbnail for your YouTube video, and I cordially request to watch that video how to create a thumbnail easily. So I have created a thumbnail about my YouTube video, and you have to provide this one, and just it's uploading. You have to wait. 93% is uploading, and just wait to complete all the videos just now. So after completing this uploading, you have to provide your thumbnail. Just click on this here. Mind it, if you complete the 4 tricks, 5 tricks, number 1 is called title. You have to provide your informative or eye-catchy or authentic or unique title you have to write, or you must write on this box here. And number 2 is called description box. All the informations you have to provide on your description box here. On the other hand, you can provide your link here. Alright, I have written here my email address. If anybody search, or if anybody looking for me, that they will get this my Gmail account from my description box. On the other hand, you can provide all types of social media links or other YouTube links or video links you can provide on this description box here. So mind it, if you can decorate your description by providing all types of video related information, that will be the best one for ranking your videos on Google search engine. So after completing this uploading, you have to click on this upload video here. Now you have to upload your thumbnail. Just click on this upload thumbnail from here, go to your computer or PC. Boom, that's have been completed. This is my thumbnail, eye-catchy thumbnail I have created on my Photoshop CC. You can create it easily. And now I would like to cordially request to watch my previous videos how to create a eye-catchy or unique thumbnail freely, or by using your Photoshop or Illustrator CC. So now you have to select one, select your playlist here, or on the other hand, you can create a new playlist. I have created a new playlist, just done it here. And then now you have to select one. This is very important. You have to select this one. First one is, yes, it's made for kids. My video is about not for made for kids. So if you create your video only for kids, you have to select this one, or on the other hand, you have to select this one. No, it's not made for kids one. Just after coming here, you have to click on this more options. So this is the final and best and authentic tips and tricks to provide your all tags according to your video. So I have created a eye-catchy or unique title about this video. You have to first of all some tag you have to select from here, just paste it, and $50 by typing captchas from here. Typing captchas, you can select one whatever you like, or as you can see here, make money online, and you can provide from here all the tags. Now I have created some tags. You can use 500 tags on this box here. I would like to share another simple tips which is very important and pretty cool and free for you. You have to search another website by using this title for ensuring more tags. Just copy this one from here and go to this rapidtags.io. So after searching on this Google tag generator, you have to click this one and make an account on this platform here. Just after coming here, you have to paste and search this one on this platform or website. Just wait. You can use this rapidtags.io easily for collecting any types of tags on your YouTube video. So on the other hand, now you can collect other tags from here. Just copy from here and paste. Lots of tag, make money. Alright, I have uploaded, or I have provided 49 tags on this tag box here. Just you have to provide all types of information. First of all, if you want to rank your video on your YouTube channel, you have to confirm your title according to your video. Second one is description. You have to provide all the information on your YouTube videos on this description box here. Number 3 is you have to create a eye-catchy or unique thumbnail, and this is very easy for you to create a thumbnail on Photoshop or Illustrator CC. Second one is tags. You have to provide all types of authentic tags according to your video. So first of all, video language. Here I have created this one. You have to select one from here. English. This video language is English. So recording date, you have to select this one, people or blog, and this one how to and style, and that's it. And you have to come this video elements here. So import from video, just click on this. You have to import all videos on this here. I didn't add any videos. This is my first video, so I have to click on this discard here. So add cards, you have to click on this add card here. Can add any types of videos. Just click on this visibility and look at this one, save or publish. There are three options. If you want to do your private of your video, and you have to select this one, and if you want to unlist it your video, you have to select this one. On the other hand, if you publish this video just one, you have to click this one, or on the other hand there is another options, you have to select this one. If you want to publish this video on schedule, you have to select the time whatever you like, or as you can see here, right? So now I would like to share this one from here. That's it. This is the total SEO of my YouTube video. So just publish here. This video has been published. So this is the easiest way, and these are my social links. You can share your video on these social links here, the Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Quora, others, etc. So this is the total video. How will you rank your video? I mean #1 rank on Google searching, or on the other hand, how will you complete your SEO? I mean search engine optimization. If you do, or if you upload this video by following my strategies or tips and tricks, you can rank your video on Google search engine easily. That's it. Thanks for watching my video till the end. I cordially request to subscribe my previous channel. This is called the Learning and Earning Tube. In every Friday and Sunday you will get an English content video on this YouTube channel. And now I cordially request to watch my all types of English content video on this channel. This is called Make Money Online, and this is my second channel. I cordially request to support these two channels all together. Stay cool, stay connected. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.